Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sell your crypto on your Binance account. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So from here you're going to go to your assets section. Then you're going to go to any currency you might like to choose. So for example USDT. Now from here you're going to review it and then you're going to sell it for whatever other currency you might like. So for now we're going to use something called Solana. Once you turn it to Solana and you sell it, now you're going to have it on your account. And then from here, we're going to have to install an app called Swissborg to make all this transaction much easier. To sign up for Swissborg, all you have to do is scroll down until you see the first link in the description. Or once you see the first link in the comment section below, click on it and it will redirect you to this page right here. Copy this code and scan this QR code. Once you download the application and sign up, deposit some money, you will get the chance to win up to 100 euros in the lottery ticket that they provide from the application. As you can see right here, I'm doing the exact same steps. And then once you verify all your details, voila, now you have access to the application. Now that you are on your Swissborg account, all you have to do is go to the portfolio section and then go to the Solana. From here, you're going to click on deposit and then you're going to copy the code that they gave you. Go back to your Binance account. From here, you're going to click on send and then go to on-chain withdraw. Then from here, you're going to select whatever coin you might like. So for example, the Solana that we just chose. Then from here, you're going to paste the account and then you're going to select whichever amount that you might want. Then after you withdraw, go back to your Swissborg wallet. Now from here, once you receive your funds, you're going to exchange it back to any fiat currency you might want to choose. So for example, euros. Once you do that and you get to transfer, then it will be changed. Then you'll go back and finally you're going to see euros in your portfolio section. So you're going to click on it and then from here, you're going to click on withdraw and then you're going to add your bank account. Select whichever country you might like. So for example, we'll choose Hungary. And from here, click on next, and then it will ask you to save and enter your IBAN account. And then once you do that, you can transfer to it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.